I've been waiting for this. Look at it in all its glory. Beautiful. By the way, I paid for this with my own money, so this is not sponsored, just as an FYI. So, I've been meaning to get an anamorphic for a very long time now, because I too am chasing the cinematic look. Did I make a mistake getting the 50 instead of the 35, knowing that this is aps-c crop? Possibly. But it is what it is. Beautiful. Wow. Listen to that ASMR. Here I'm just playing around with the focal distance ring, and it has a minimum focus distance of 65 centimeters or 2 feet 2 inches, but who really cares about the imperial measurement system? It's your aperture ring. But yeah, just a really beautiful lens. Like, I have a Lumix S5 Mark IIX, it's blacked out, Sigma lens is blacked out, and this thing just adds so much finesse and character to the rig. Much of the footage was taken at night because that's all I've got to use it so far, but the best way to gauge a lens is obviously to see the footage that comes out of it, so that's what we're going to do. Autofocus anamorphics. Let's get it. Alright, so now that taking it out, we are going to cue the cinematic footage on the S5 Mark IIX by Lumix on the Blazar Apex T1.8 AF.